So my name is Angie Holodick. I work in the shipping department, and I've been here about 4.5 years now. Orders that are complete, we have our schedule that we pick from, and then we have to assign all of the part numbers, and then we pack them up based on if it's international or domestic. You know, there's different packing styles for international. But there is a lot of variety where you have to be able to multitask. And nothing is the same in shipping, I do have to say that. It's hard work and very demanding. It's hard, I mean, it's very physical. You know, we're on our feet, so I'm able to move around. You know, I'm not just confined. TFT proud means that what we do here collectively as a team is all about making a difference for somebody. How many thousands of people have they been able to save with our products? And I do go to hurricane and other kind of disasters. I help work those. I go to the people's homes and look at their damage at the house that they have or vehicle. And you don't realize what you really have until you see something like that.